Afternoon everyone, it's James here again from Carbon Cleaning UK and JP Tuning Borders. We're performing a two-stage carbon clean here for a customer in Livingston. He's just recently acquired this Renault Clio 1.2. Very clean car actually. You see here the customer has actually had a full valet done into it as well as a steam engine change performed in it. The customer decided, because it's had no service history as well, that you get a carbon clean done for preventative measures for this vehicle and keep the vehicle in tip-top condition. Any questions in regards to carbon cleaning, remarking, DTF cleaning, or general diagnostics, feel free to give me a call on 0131 203 305, alternatively on 07387 589 366. Our website's there as well for any other information that you may require. It's been a very busy day today. Performing DTF cleaning this morning for a local customer on the Peugeot partner. We've also performed a three-stage carbon clean on our Volkswagen Passat earlier on, and now we're performing a two-stage carbon clean.